Hello everyone, you are listening to the Money Builders Show, Inspire, Inculcate and Innovate, episode 38, How to Maintain a Long Distance Relationship. Many don't believe in long distance relationships. However, these distance relationships have their own pros and cons. If you maintain these long distance relationships well, they are amazing and they add a lot of value and happiness to your life. Keep loving wherever they may be. You may be living with a false assumption that if someone you love is far away from you, the love decreases in both of you. But this is not true at all. Distance relationships feel uneven and inconvenient, but if you maintain them well, they bring you happiness. There are some simple and effective ways to maintain distance relationships that help you live a joyful life together. Your trust matters the most. Trust is what you need to develop in each other. Trust helps you understand each other better. Trust helps you overcome false assumptions and perceptions you grieve on each other. Grow trust in each other and never break this trust irrespective of any situation you may face in your life. Once your trust is broken, you can never have a strong relation, whether it may be a distance relationship or close relationship. Give them freedom. The secret to a happy relationship is freedom. Most people try to gain control over each other, which is about taking away freedom. This leads to spoilage of relationships and brings sadness and pain. It's important to give freedom to the person you love. Let them do what they want. Let them fly with their own thoughts. Don't try to put them on the ground with your restrictions, and this improves your relationship and make it stronger. Avoid intemperate communication. Too much of anything is bad. Communication helps you understand each other well, but excessive communication brings you boredom and makes your communication with each other boring. Have a regular time to communicate. It may be through chat, call, or other ways of communication. This helps you spend time with your loved ones without any distractions from your work. Minimize your expectations. Expectations are the reason many people become sad in relationships. The more you expect from others, the more you get suffering in life. It's advisable to minimize your expectations on others. You may expect the other person you love to change their behavior, habits, or other things from them. The person you expect from may not meet your expectations. As your both lives differ from each other, stop expecting and start accepting others the way they are. Communicate openly every day. It's very important to communicate openly to build a strong understanding. You may be communicating with the one you love every day, but the important thing to do is communicate openly by sharing everything. Hide nothing. Share your good and bad. Most people show their good to impress and conceal their bad, but don't do this. Communicate even your bad to others, and if they understand your bad and still stays with you, they will stay longer and forever with you. Use technology well. Technology is playing a significant role in maintaining distance relationships well. Many of you may use continuous chat to communicate, but it's not effective in many cases. It's better to communicate through video calls and voice calls, as they make you feel better while communicating. You will be able to see and listen to the other person and feel their expressions. Meet often. Even though you are communicating every day to each other, it's not effective as a meeting. Meet your loved ones whenever possible, give surprise visits, travel to places and spend time and make memories. Don't ignore any meetings, don't break the scheduled meetings. How busy you may be, always have time to meet and make memories that last forever. Stay honest. Honesty is very important in any relationship. It doesn't matter how hard it may be. Never lie about anything. Share the truth and accept your mistakes. Promise that you will not repeat such mistakes and will keep your promises. Stay honest all the time in all the situations with your loved ones. Understand each other's priorities. Everyone has their own priorities. Understanding priorities is very important. You may be the priority to other person, but don't expect only you to be the priority. There are several priorities in human life. No one has just one priority. The priority may be a goal or a dream. Let them work and fulfill their dreams. Understanding priorities helps you fall in deep love more with each other. Show care. Caring is very important in any relationship. Care your loved ones by giving what they want. Don't wait for them to ask what they want. Know what they want and what is necessary for them, and help them in all the time. Care for them by helping them in all works and give them your time and advice, and help them face and forget their problems and make them feel that you are there to support them in any situation. Pay attention and listen. Listening is very important in building a relationship. Be an active listener. Listen to every small thing. Don't feel irritated. Pay attention to them all the time. Pay attention to even minor things in their life and be with them all the time. Say that you love them every time you speak to them. Praise for every minor things. Give a compliment to every small thing, it may be anything. Don't give fake compliments, give them genuine compliments. Your compliments help them feel better and this strengthens your relationship. If you like this episode, please share it with your friends, family, and your loved ones. And if you want to know more upcoming updates, just subscribe to this podcast. Until then, see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.